Day 3 started out at the hotel. Breakfast was included with this hotel, but this was the first day I was actually able to eat it because the other 2 days I had my food at the hospital. I had to pack up all of my things because this was my last day at the hotel. I had to be at the hospital at 1 o'clock, but I actually didn't get in to see a doctor until 3 o'clock. I was able to talk to the sleep apnea doctor. That was an extra charge of $280. I didn't do the sleep apnea test because it was $3,000 a night. No, thank you. Oh, y'all, peep that. Look at the roof. Isn't that cool? Each day I was chauffeured to the hospital in a beautiful, comfortable car, which always set the tone for the day. And look, that's a real mug. Have you been to a hospital when they give you a real mug and saucer to have your coffee? Day 3 was about getting results, having final conversations with doctors, and getting the prescriptions I needed. It was a day where everything came together. So this is day 3, the last day of being here at the hospital. No more testing. Almost all the results have been in. I've come in. I'm just waiting for a couple more. I got fit for a night guard because I grind my teeth at night. And so I'm going to pick that up at 3. And then I had some follow-up questions for gyno and for internal medicine. My blood pressure medicine that I got from my doctor is no longer working. Here, my blood pressure was 150 over 105 yesterday, and then I took the medicine. The day before yesterday, I took the medicine. Then it went down to 112 over 76. That's a big difference. So I asked them, well, could I get a lot of it? Because I don't want to have to fly back and forth to Turkey. They said, yeah, you can get as many as you want. So I'm going to get a year's supply of this blood pressure medicine, with the goal of getting off of it when I lose this weight, because I do not want to be on blood pressure meds for the rest of my life. But so far, so good. One of the last things I did was to get my night guard. My testing revealed that I grind my teeth at night pretty bad. That exam was done on a Wednesday, and I came back on a Friday, and my mouth guard was done. It fits perfectly, and it works really well. It cost me $128, and the dentist came in and made sure that it fit my mouth correctly. And this is just me being silly, trying to get used to wearing this thing, because it felt really weird, and still does. My interpreter wasn't here for this, so we used our phones to translate. Both of us were laughing because I really sounded funny. I was given instructions on how to use it, how to take care of it, how to clean it, etc. And then I had to put my glasses on because your girl can't see up close.
We do not eat or drink food very well. Just put it in your mouth. Okay.
And just like that, my day was over. I thought it was very nice of my interpreter to get my bags for me and to take them out into the car. And he even loaded them in the trunk for me, which I thought was very nice. I wasn't going to the airport. I was headed to the Ritz for a few days, so the car took me there. 3 days, almost 75 tests and examinations, $3,750. Would you do it?